Hello. Welcome back. I hope you're all well on this beautiful Wednesday morning. So today I am going to show you my latest camera. Once I get my tripod set up, that is. I'm not sure I like twist locks, but hey. There we go. Yep, so I've already been out and about down here. I'm at a place which is a little country park not far from where I live. I haven't been down here for quite a few years, and I thought I'd come out this morning because it's going to be virtually no wind, clear skies, relatively clear skies, and I knew I'd get some light, so that's why I'm down here, take some images and to show you my new camera, which is this, which is a Fujifilm XS10 26 megapixel APS-C interchangeable lens camera. And so far I've used it 2 or 3 times, including today, just to get used to it. I've taken some images over the last few weeks, and yeah, I'm quite impressed. It's so much lighter than my S1R, and that's the reason I got it, really. I wanted a light setup. I had my G9 and I love that camera, but it's only, I say only, it's 20 megapixels on a micro 4/3 sensor. Sometimes it struggles in certain conditions with the dynamic range, so I thought, I had a look round, I did my research. XT4 would have been a good buy, I think, but they're still quite expensive. This I've got a really good deal on with the kit lens. That's not the kit lens, that's another lens that I bought for it, but I got a 15-45 kit lens with it, which seems to be quite a nice lens. Yeah, it was a really good price, hence this is the one that I chose. I will do a proper video about the camera at some point, once I've used it for a little bit longer, and I can then give an informed opinion. But straight off the bat, the images I've taken so far are quite good, I think. They look quite interesting color wise, and the quality of this 26 megapixel sensor looks really good. So I'm just setting up for a shot here. As I say, I've been down here for about half an hour. It's now about 15-20 minutes after sunrise, so I got down here about half an hour or so before sunrise, so half an hour, 45 minutes. And I've taken some images already, and I'll put some of those up for you to see. I'm now focused out on a wreck which is out on the estuary there. I took some images of this from a different angle, and I'll put those up. but now I've moved round so that the sun's actually illuminating the side of the hole, and I'm going to take an image of that. So I'm just going to set up now. I'm at f11, focusing 1/3 of the way into the image, and about a 1/13 of a second, 2-second timer. I'll show you that image. I'm actually really, go away buzzy thing. I'm actually really pleased with that. Really nice image. Really isn't going to be a particularly long video. Got to get back, got work today, but I couldn't resist coming out, trying to capture a few images with this camera, introducing the camera to you, and showing you some of the images that I've captured. So hopefully I've got 1 or 2 reasonable pictures. I'm looking now for another composition. There's some mist across the field behind, but there's nothing there really to interest me. The mist is quite nice. We could do with some mist out on the river. That would be really, really good. You can't always get everything that you want. But I'll hunt round and see if there's any other images that I like. That's not bad actually. So I've just recomposed. I've got the wreck, but I've also got what I think is a pier or jetty in the background, and I'll see if I can get an image focused in on those. 20th of a second, still at f11. And the ISO for all of these shots I think is 160. What a beautiful, beautiful morning. There's just no wind. It's absolutely fantastic morning. I'm not sure there's anything else that I really want to shoot this morning. Like I say, it'd be really good if we had some mist on the river or coming off the river, but we don't. The quietness of it all. It is very, very pretty down here. There'll be more on this camera going forward. I'm not going to stop using the S1R. That's still my main camera, but this is a lighter camera, obviously, lighter lenses, lighter setup. Hopefully I can walk further and explore a bit more when I've got my camera with me. And yeah, we'll see what happens. So I hope you found this video reasonably interesting, what camera I'm now using and why. I hope you found some of the images interesting. If you've got any comments, please leave them below. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing so. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, I'm off. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.